Hello, Jason here from septictank.co.uk. Just a really short video today. Very interesting topic. It's called Septic Tank Killer. So yes, there's septic tank killer near you. So if you're a septic tank owner, then I can't stress how important this video is or will be to you. So what kills septic tanks? Well, let me show you. Cleaning products. Maybe that surprises you, maybe that doesn't, but let me explain and show you really quickly now how cleaning products are killing your septic tank. Have a look at this. Okay, so if you go onto Google and type in cleaning products, you'll see a whole load of cleaning products. Now, obviously you've seen cleaning products, but something you may not have seen lately, or maybe you have, is what's on the back of cleaning products. Now, if you look at the label on the back of cleaning products, it says danger, right? In this instance, it's an irritant. This thick, strong bleach contains sodium hypochlorite, right? And sodium hydroxide, right? This other one says, look, bleach, poison, danger, causes severe eye and skin irritation or burns, may cause fire, harmful if swallowed, right? Here's another one. This is on the back of washing powder. Warning, right? Causes irritation, causes burning. Avoid release to the environment. Do you see that? Avoid release to the environment. Here's another one. Danger. Keep out of reach of children. Burns, right? Bleach byproducts pose a risk to wildlife, mutations and extinctions, right? An extinction. So basically, that's exactly what cleaning products do, right? And so look, here's another one. If you drink bleach, what do? Call the emergency services quickly. All right, so why am I showing you this? Well, simply because, right, if this is what bleach does to you, right, if this is what bleach does to humans, what will it do to septic tanks? Because septic tanks are just like a big stomach, right? They're like a big stomach. So if you're putting all this toxic, poisonous detergent into your septic tank, it will do exactly what I showed you before. It will kill your septic tank. So let me show you how detergents do kill septic tanks. Okay, so let me get this up here. Okay, so as I said, the septic tank is like a big, large stomach, right? So all that waste and all that horrible stuff leaves your house, goes into the belly of the septic tank. It's then digested and broken down and naturally can then just soak away into the environment. But what happens is that when you put cleaning products into your septic tank, it kills all the good bacteria inside. And so then what happens is you get a buildup of fat, grease and the sludge building up inside your septic tank. Now this fat and the grease and the sludge very quickly will start to rot and it will start to fester. And that's when these gases are released from your septic tank up through your drains, up through your sink, through your bath plug holes, all that. And that's those horrible putrid smells that you can smell, right? And then after that, right, that's just the beginning of the problems, right? Because then after that, the fat and the grease and the sludge will continue to build up in your tank. And from there, that fat and the grease and the sludge will make its way from your septic tank down through the outlet pipes, through the arteries, and it will end up blocking and killing your soakaway. So not only will you kill your septic tank, but you're also going to kill your soakaway. Now, there's only two ways you can fix that, right? You can get a firm in to replace your septic tank and soakaway, which will cost you thousands, or you can do this. You can change your brand of cleaning products. Now, here's a firm that have been around for quite a few years. I haven't got any shares with this company, but the point being is they're called Ecova, and they do a whole range of septic tank friendly cleaning products, right? They're really safe and good for the environment too. So this is laundry liquid to for the washing machines. You can even get the washing machine powder. Okay, so other products they do, let's go, what else have they got? Dishwasher. They go dishwashing, so they got like dishwashing liquid, and they've got rinse aid, they've got dishwasher tablets. As I said, all this stuff is great for the environment, it's safe for septic tanks, and it will still keep your family safe because it'll kill all the germs in your house. So, and what will happen is, as soon as you start putting this into your septic tank, it will reverse the damage that the other normal cleaning products have done. So it will reverse. So what will, because it'll put good bacteria back into your septic tank, that good bacteria will start eating the fat and the grease and the sludge again. And the whole process will become reversed. It'll start eating all that fat and the grease and the sludge that's clogging up your pipes. It will then start to break down and eat all the septic tank fat, grease and the sludge that's built up in the septic tank. And it will restore, get rid of those smells, and it will restore and put your septic tank back into a really healthy condition again, just like it was before you killed your septic tank. So there you go, that's my tip for the day. Change your brand of cleaning products, right? Don't use your normal cleaning products. I don't really want to say any of the brands in case I get sued, but the point being is, right, change your brand and start using Ecova. It'll get rid of the smells, and it'll give you a peace of mind that you're not only looking after your septic tank, but you're also being kind and gentle to the environment. So listen, thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. If you'd like to see more free tips and videos, then just go to septictank.co.uk, or you can go to, if you go onto Google and type in Septic Tank TV, you can see my Septic Tank TV channel there, and you'll be in with a chance to win a whole range of free septic tank friendly cleaning products. So listen, thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. You take care, and I'll speak to you soon. For more information, just click the link below this video or visit septictank.co.uk for free help and advice.